Sunday to you. Thanks for joining me on Starr Touch Heartfelt Healing. So I've been doing a lot of different healings with the dam in town and doing the throat chakra, the sacral, the solar plexus, but I think it's time to work on the heart today. And it's interesting because the card I pulled is all about the heart. So it's the angel guide. What a perfect one for Sunday. Holy love. I'm going to go ahead and send out some good energy. You are blessed to receive this card today, for it shows you are being surrounded by loving energy, and the cup of your heart will be filled until it overflows with goodness. The angels who are with you now know that at times you can feel unloved and unappreciated, and this can block your experience of love and appreciation. The divine energy that is surrounding you at this time is there to help you melt away any blockages so that you can be open and receptive to the love and appreciation that you deserve. Your angel guide is encouraging you to view yourself in a loving way and to give yourself permission to be loved. If you've been holding back for a while but are now ready to share the love you have within, this card brings the message that it's safe for you to do so. Extended message. Angels of love are gathering around you in awe and celebration, for you are finally willing to remember how loving and lovable you are. And heaven is guiding you to see that you deserve loving relationships, loving experiences, and loving acceptance from the world around you. This card marks a milestone in your own self-awareness. It acknowledges the steps that you have taken to claim your worth and to recognize that you deserve to be loved and respected and to feel good. It also acknowledges a new level of spiritual openness, which draws even more divine love from your angels and the Creator. You are loved beyond your wildest dreams by the power and presence that you created you. And through receiving and acknowledging that love, you will create even more loving experiences in your life. So today, I'm just going to be silent and send out a lot of energy and using the symbols to help bring in the unconditional love today with a holy love experience. You want to just take a couple deep breaths and relax. May this energy bring you unconditional love, giving and receiving. And I hope you enjoy this Sunday. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day.